Good evening. I'm Todd McDermott.
And I'm Tiffany Kenny. Thank you for staying with us. Our top story at 5:30, trouble in the tropics. On the top right, live pictures of Hawaii that's seeing some wind, rain, and rough surf. That's thanks to Tropical Storm Flossie.
Now on the bottom right, a satellite image of the storm. Severe weather expert Mike Lyons is tracking all this in the WPBF 25 First Alert Weather Center. Mike?
Yeah, lots going on, and we're going to begin, guys, here at home because we can still we're still watching with a lot of interest what's left of Dorian, this tropical storm that was downgraded to a tropical wave over the weekend. And actually, on our satellite representation this afternoon, it looks pretty good. What it's lacking, though, is a closed circulation and very little in the way of thunderstorms. Notice how all the oranges that were there 4 or 5 hours ago just simply go away. Now, hurricane hunters were out there today. They did not find a closed circulation, so it has not been upgraded to a tropical storm. And at the moment, the Hurricane Center says only about a 30% chance that this system can make a comeback. But if it holds together, it's going to produce some gusty winds and some rain for the Bahamas, for Florida, and beginning tomorrow, the Turks and the Caicos. Here's our future track. Here's what's left of Dorian. As we head toward the next 24 hours, it really kind of falls apart. Really no organization there. You can still see, though, a counterclockwise spin. So again, we expect an increase